In this video, we're going to show you how to set up margins when you're using background images. We took a picture of this sweatshirt, and then we laid it on a table and measured it, and we found that it was about 20 inches from shoulder to shoulder. So we've resized the image in CorelDRAW so that that's 20 inches. We cropped our photo, and we are left with an area. The total image size is 32 inches by 32 inches. And again, we've got about 20 inches from shoulder to shoulder. Okay, now I've drawn this red box here to show you about the area where we want to decorate the shirt. And we can see that it's about 9 inches from the side, 9 inches from the bottom, 9 inches from the right side, and about 6 inches from the top of the photo. So those are going to be our margins: 9 inches, 6 inches, 9 inches, and 9 inches. Switching back over to the RealTimeDesigner now, and going into the administration panel, fix sizes, extra options, and the side preferences. Okay, so we've already uploaded the background image, but we can see here we have no margins. These are all zeros, and our size is 32 inches by 32 inches. Let's go to the RealTimeDesigner, reload the product to make sure we're working with the latest configuration. Okay, add some text. And you can see we can move that text anywhere on the screen. There's no margin set up. You can design right to the edge of the screen. Okay, let's delete that. Go back to the administration panel, the side preferences, and now let's type in the margins that we calculated in our drawing program. 9 inches on the left, 6 inches on the top, 9 inches on the right, and 9 inches on the bottom. Let's save those settings and go back to the designer, reload. Add a piece of text. And you can see that there is a margin set up now. Nine inches from the side, 6 inches from the top, and 9 inches from the bottom. So there's our margin. That's direct keyboard entry of the margins. We have another way of doing that as well. Let's go back, and on the back of the shirt, suppose we didn't even know the size of that shirt, the actual size, but we do know that we have a 14 by 17 inch print area. This started off with 12 inches in the sides. Let's just ignore that and go to the background image interactive margin tool. Okay, we'll type in here the actual print size that we're going to use, 14 inches by 17 inches, and we'll set that. Now we find a place on the shirt. We're finding that that's a little big. We can actually come in here, resize this, and notice as we're resizing this, it's actually changing the overall size of the shirt picture. So we can just position this and get it where we think it represents a good print area of the shirt, not needing to know the actual size of the shirt or size of the photo. We just size it 14 by 17. When we are done resizing the print image area, the size is calculated automatically. We just hit save and return. And we come down here and we find out that in this photo, using the print area that we selected, the actual overall image size is 32 inches with a 9.3 and 6.15 inch margins. Again, that's irrelevant. The actual image that's going to come out is 14 inches by 17 inches. So we're all set. Let's go in here now and look at the back of the shirt. We'll reload. Go to the back, add a piece of clip art, and you can see that the margins are applied. So two simple ways to set your margins. If you know the actual photo size, you can set them by typing in the actual margins with the keyboard. Or if you don't care to know the photo size, but you do know your print area, you size your print area appropriately on the photo, and the sizes are calculated for you. Hope that helps. We'll see you again soon. Thanks.